Space ECE have got a unique culture which allows you to share your thoughts and ideas freely and confidently.
Hey everyone, I'm Saloni Garg, working as an intern in Spacey as a graphic designer. In this organization, I have gained knowledge on how to do a teamwork. The team members in this organization are very much helpful in every step to achieve my goal.
In Spaces organization, I was an HR intern, and as an HR intern, I was also a fresher. Our mentor, Sachin Moite sir, has given me this opportunity for being a part in this valuable organization.
Hello everyone, my name is Shilpi Shroff. I have been working with Spaces India Foundation as a finance intern. What I liked about this internship that it had provided us an incubation setup so we can showcase our thoughts and convert them into reality. So it was a really very great experience for us. And hello everyone, my name is Rutuja Dongre and I have been working in a Spaces India Foundation in a finance department as a CFO of a finance department. And in the spaces I have given a lots of opportunities to explore myself, and the work culture in the spaces is very free, and all the employees and all the colleagues of mine are very enthusiastic for the work.
Hello everyone, I have started my journey towards the career by working in Space for ECE organization. A heartiest thanks goes to Mr. Sachin Moite sir. Due to his valuable efforts and time, I was able to complete my internship successfully in this organization.
Hi, I am Shafiqur Rahman and I am doing my summer internship project in Spaces as an operation intern. When we talk about Spaces, here we learn together as a team. Working culture in Spaces is very brilliant with flexible working hours.
Hey everyone, my name is Chanchla Ghosh from Sri Balaji University, Pune. I have completed my internship as a marketing intern in Spaces organization, and I really feel privileged to having my internship in this organization as I really like the whole culture of the organization.
Hi everyone, I'm Ashish Jhalani, working as an intern in Space ECE as a business developer. I love working here because everyone shares the same vision and is dedicated to the mission. This truly creates a family environment where everybody is there for each other.
Hello everyone, hope you all are doing good. I would like to thank Spaces India Foundation for giving me this wonderful opportunity to being a part of finance analyst and exploring myself in corporate world.
As they provide flexible timing to us, so it is really easy to manage things in this organization. I have learned many things from my colleagues, also from my mentor also. My mentor has always guided me towards the right path, always pushes me ki you can do the work, which gives me confidence in my life. I am really thankful to have this organization for 2 months tenure of my internship. I can't say anything more to this organization. I'm very grateful to have internship in this organization. It is a very good working experience with all of you guys, and I really thank Sachin sir for having me in this organization.
While working in this organization, I really explored myself a lot, and this confidence will really help me out and act as a stepping stone to achieve my real life goals.
Especially Sachin sir and Shekhar, they helped me a lot in doing my work properly. Lastly, I will very much thankful to all of you and my team members to giving me a great and a best experience in this organization.
And I thank you so much sir for choosing me as your HR intern for this organization. I have learned a lot of exposure about the corporate world, how to deal and how to survive. And sir has guided me each and every time and gave me that trust and support that I can do it. While joining this organization, I lacked in confidence, but this organization helped me to build my confidence. Thank you so much sir for trusting me and for giving me this opportunity.
I would like to thank Sachin Moite sir and Aparna Chaudhary ma'am, our mentors, to give us this great opportunity and provide us a distinct cultural environment. Thank you so much. I gained lots of confidence
during this internship, and very much active performance of mine that was I explored in this. And for this I would like to thank Mr. Sachin Mohite sir and Aparna Chaudhary ma'am for this great opportunity. Thank you.